Hello everyone, you're all welcome to Python Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to download, install and set up your Python on your Windows 10 system. So first of all, I'd like you to go to your browser. Then in the address bar, type python.org and enter. Okay, it takes us to the Python website. Now, on this website, we click on downloads. Remember, Python is free, so you didn't have any difficulties downloading Python. So we go to download Python 3.9.0 and we click on it. Now, the download has started and it is done. So we click on it to show in folder. Then we go straight and start installation from the startup. Now we give the permission to the computer to run and we check this and we install. Okay, so setup was successful. So we close this and we close our browser. Go to our start button and it's under one of the recently added or installed programs. We click on idle Python 3.9 64 bits. This is a Python idle window. This is an interactive mode. It allows you to just write stuff or code stuff and you get the output immediately. So for example, okay, I'm making this video with the help of a sister of mine, so I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you, Andy, and enter. So it's there. You can also do some computations and you get the results immediately. But there's another aspect of Python, which is the script. Now the script is an area where you can compile codes and later run them. And so if you want to open your Python script, you simply come to File, then click on New File. Yeah, let's try something new. So let's go ahead and type print you see it hasn't run. So you have to come back to the run button, click on it, run module. But you have to save or create a model first. So we can say name the file as thank you and we run and you see it's there. So this is all about installing Python on Windows. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.